It seems like every day there is a new do-it-yourself security system available. There are many factors you have to take into account when it comes to securing your home or business. Consider the following. With a DIY system, you have to do everything yourself, including installation and fixing the system if anything breaks. Also, with the amount of systems available, it may be overwhelming and time-consuming trying to select the correct one for your security needs. DIY kits only come with a limited number of sensors and options which may not be optimized for your home or business. When you install a DIY system, you're likely to have exposed wiring or intrusive tabletop equipment that is easily compromised. A DIY security system may not include monitoring, but if it does, a monitoring center will not be local. The chance of a mistake happening multiplies when a company is located out of town. Avoid all of these inconveniences, hassles, and stresses by letting Amherst Alarm install a professional system for you. One of our security experts will design a system to fit your lifestyle and security needs. Also, our award-winning monitoring center is located right in Western New York, so you'll always be speaking with someone familiar with the area. Call us to schedule your free security review today.